Imagine you want to send money to a friend overseas. You could use a bank, but they charge fees and take a few days to process. You could use a money transfer service, but how do you know they are trustworthy? This is a trust problem. We rely on banks, governments, and other institutions to facilitate transactions and keep records. But these systems can be slow, expensive, and vulnerable to errors or fraud. Sometimes, we don't even know if we can trust them. What if there was a better way? A system that is secure, transparent, and doesn't rely on intermediaries. This is where blockchain comes in. A blockchain is a special kind of database. Unlike traditional databases that store information in rows and columns, a blockchain stores information in blocks that are linked together in a chain. Each block contains a set of transactions, a timestamp, and a unique code called a hash. The hash is like a fingerprint that identifies the block. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. The blockchain is constantly growing as new blocks are added. Each new block contains information about the previous block, creating a chain of blocks that are linked together chronologically. This makes the blockchain very secure, but what makes blockchain truly unique is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases that are controlled by a central authority, a blockchain is distributed across a network of computers. This means that no single entity has control over the blockchain. Let's imagine a group of friends who want to keep track of their shared expenses. Instead of relying on one person to keep a record, they decide to use a blockchain. Every time someone pays for something, they record the transaction in a block. The block includes the date, the amount spent, and who paid whom. Each block is then linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks or a blockchain. Now let's say one friend tries to change the record of their expenses. Because each block is linked to the previous block and secured by cryptography, any change would be immediately obvious to everyone in the group. This decentralized system makes it nearly impossible to tamper with the data. No single person can alter the record without being detected. This is a key feature of blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were the first application of blockchain. Bitcoin uses blockchain to record transactions and prevent double spending. But blockchain can be used for much more than just digital currencies. Imagine tracking a product as it moves through a supply chain. Using blockchain, everyone involved could see the product's journey from the manufacturer to the consumer. This could help prevent fraud, reduce delays, and increase transparency. This is just one example of how blockchain can revolutionize various industries. Blockchain is still a relatively new technology, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact and do business. Its ability to create trust and transparency makes it a powerful tool for solving a wide range of problems.